Hi, I'm Jack Dugan, Certified Financial Planner and Senior Investment Advisor for Pure Financial Advisors, located in San Diego, California. And welcome to the question of the week. The question of this week is, what exactly is probate? Well, think of probate as an orderly process of transferring assets from one person who happened to be deceased to their beneficiaries. The reason I say orderly is because it hasn't already been established how that asset should be transferred. So we have a will perhaps, and so the court has to review the will and make sure that the people that are intended to get the property get what's coming to them. One of the drawbacks with probate is it all of a sudden becomes extremely public. All this information is now put out to the public. Any creditors, any liens, what happened to do can come forward and make a claim against the estate. The second thing that is a problem with probate is it can be extremely lengthy. Because in order to go through that whole process, what do you have to happen? You have to have everybody make their claim, and that could take anywhere from 6 months to 2 years. So that's kind of a problem. The third and final problem, and probably the most important that you'd kind of like to avoid, is the cost of it. And it's not the cost of probate. It doesn't go to the state or it doesn't go to the judge. Because we have to go through this process, what do we need to have? We need to have attorneys. The attorney is going to charge somewhere between 4 and 6% of the gross value of this estate to make that transfer. Well, that can be run $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 depending upon the size of the estate, or maybe even more. One of the real problems with probate, and one of the ways that you can avoid probate, is number one, check your beneficiaries. Make sure on your 401ks and your IRAs, you've named beneficiaries. That can avoid the probate process. The most important thing, though, is on real estate. Because in order for someone to transfer property in real estate, the owner has to sign off of it. Well, if the owner's dead, that's going to be a little difficult to get them to sign. So if I had already put that property inside of a trust while I was still alive, now I've transferred that property into the title of a trust, and the trust says who my successor trustee is going to be when I pass away. That successor trustee is eligible to sign on a transfer of property. So there's things that you can do. Don't think probate's a bad thing. It's a necessary thing to transfer. But those that plan properly can avoid some of the costs and the expense and the time consuming of a probate. I'm Jack Dugan and hope you enjoyed the question of the week.